YouTube, good morning. So this will be a pretty simple install in a short video, but wanted to show the installation of some new foot pegs for my Honda SCL500 motorcycle. These are from Takegawa. I ordered them from WeBike, like I have a lot of parts for this bike build. So they're silver, which I think is going to be cool because I have a lot of silver accents that I've been adding to the bike. They also match the rear foot pegs, which are also silver. They are aluminum, so they don't have the rubber coating to dampen vibrations, but this bike, especially as I've broken it in, the engine runs really smooth. I'm not expecting to get too many vibrations through the foot pegs, but as I ride it around, I'll get to figuring that out. So quick unboxing and then popping it on. I think it's really just a matter probably of removing this one pin and popping them on. So again, it should be a very simple install. So here's the box and the model number. Comes with neat packaging, advertisement stuff. It looks like there's actually a couple components here because there's different timing that you can use to have the foot pegs at different angles. And then here are the foot pegs themselves. They look really good. Takegawa always has very clean machining, and the aluminum looks fantastic. So let's get this apart, get these put together. For now I'm going to time them something similar to the way that the height of the stock one is, and we'll see what it looks like and then do it on the other side. So as far as removing the stock one, there's this cotter pin that's wrapped around this side of the pin that holds it. It's coming down. So you just need to bend this back so that it's straight, file it through the hole, and then this pin pops out. Pin comes out, there's a washer, or the cotter pin comes out, there's a washer, and then there's this main pin here that just wiggles out. Spring, and that's the entire assembly. So let's put together the same components for the Takegawa solution and pop it on. So while the foot pegs themselves don't have sides, these little adapters that go in first do. So one shows here left, it has these pins for left, and the other has pins for right. So make sure that you have that correctly oriented, and otherwise all the other pieces should be the same. Alright, and so once you have it in the configuration that you want, you use the same hardware. The kit does come with an extra cotter pin because usually, like I did, I mangled up the one that I pulled out. But let's see, how do we get the spring sits like this, I believe. So we'll get here. Let's see. A little tap tap. Alright, and so then it still has the same flexibility to go up and down. Then washer. New cotter pin, get that bent around, and that's it. Now that it's on the bike too, and you have leverage, it's a good opportunity to tighten up these bolts. It's going into aluminum, so I would just get it reasonably hand tight. But yeah, that looks great. And then real briefly, I have it backed out here so that you can see what the new one looks like as compared to the stock one. Height-wise, in the way that I did the alignment, everything looks like it feels the same. I just sat on the bike. Everything feels like it's in a similar position, but once it's on the bike, you can also make adjustments and change the angle to be either closer to, in this case, the brake pedal, or further back, depending on the size of your foot, or a little bit higher if you're a shorter rider. But anyway, quick installation, like all Takegawa stuff. It looks fantastic, and Gonna do the other side and be done with this project. Okay, so got both sides done. I think they look great. Also just did a quick right around the block. And the serrations on the aluminum here are particularly grippy. I know I'm wearing super stylish Crocs right now, but if they're grippy on Crocs, I imagine they're extra grippy on actual riding shoes or sneakers. They're also extremely, the ones that I put on are much lighter than these steel ones that were on the bike previously. I think most of the mods I've put on have taken off some weight. It'd actually be interesting to see how much weight I have taken off at this point. But again, easy installation. Love the way that it looks. If this was interesting at all, give me a thumbs up. Got a lot more mods coming on this bike and all the other ones in the garage. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.